Hi everyone, welcome to the Digital Learning Studio. Let's have a look inside to see what we've got going on. Through this door here, we'll be entering our first studio, Studio A, which is actually one of the larger spaces in our Digital Learning Studio. Come on in. Our Digital Learning Studio is set up with all the actual equipment used in professional studios. This includes things like an actual lighting board that helps us with controlling the lighting that we use during our programs, as well as a mic pack and mic box here that helps us with controlling all of our audio. And over on this side, we have Studio B, a little bit smaller, but with all the same fun interaction.
Here's our viewing pane where folks who are visiting us here at the Science Center can stop by and take a look and see what we're up to in the studio. Before each program, our educators come down and set everything up to get ready for the experience.
This is where we keep all kinds of different materials for our virtual field trip programs.
Each virtual field trip is a live, interactive program where PacSci educators connect to your learning space with engaging demonstrations and activities. Today we're setting up for ecosystem investigators, so we're getting out our aquatic macroinvertebrates for our students to get to meet them during the program. Visit pacsci.org to explore our 12 different topic themes and request a virtual field trip for your group. Our studios are located near the Boeing IMAX Theater. We hope you enjoyed our studio. See you next time.